Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We have a light power coming. Actually, there's a flat car coming. Let's check it out. I don't know if I can see it.
Stuck my tongue out at him.
What was it? What was it?
Tom, I stuck my tongue out at him.
I never had a flat car train on video before, so I'm gonna have. We're back on the Train Expert channel. We got a flat car coming. Let's check it out here. Oh.
Do you want to go to Perry or you want to swing into Save-A-Lot?
We'll go by Save-A-Lot here. That flat car looks like Conrail. Looks like, huh? I got a flat car train here with the Elko 75 unit, but I didn't get it. Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. Let's check it out. Got a really short flat car train. I have to do another playlist here pretty soon about the flat car train. I'm gonna do that probably tonight. Or maybe after this train comes by, one of the two. This is my first ever flat car train on the OC&T. Subaru Baja is gonna wait for the train to come by. There you go. First ever flat car train from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this flat car comes by. Talk to you later.